Hello students, welcome to Medical 360. The NEET results are already in your hand and most of the states are starting the registration and choice filling also. What we're doing at Medical 360 is to help you understand how your state counseling happens, which we're creating multiple content videos around the place. And more importantly, the kind of colleges that are there, the deep public colleges, the private colleges, and the number of seats that are there, what are kind of cutoff that you require based on what happened last year and what's likely to happen in the next year also, we'll also forecast. In that process, what we're going to cover now is Telangana, all government medical colleges that are there in the state of Telangana, and the seats in the closing rank is what we'll discuss. Now, as you all know, NEET counseling process is pretty complicated. You have the state counseling, you have all India counseling, you have deemed university counseling, and so on and so forth. And some of you might require help. Some of you might want to have personalized counseling. In that case, if you require any personalized counseling, send us a message NEET on this number 8130376334, and one of our NEET counselors will call you up to explain to you whatever you need. And you can also obviously decide whether you want to take a personalized counseling or not. And we also created a separate tool or a product for you. Go to Google and search for Career 360 NEET College Predictor. You will find that there. And there you just need to input your rank, your state, your category and everything, and it will tell you based on what happened last year of what are your chances of getting into a decent college or a college of your choice. Do subscribe to Medical 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students decide for themselves. And this advisory and information series is presented by SRM Medical College Hospital and Research Center, which is affiliated to SRM IST, which is a university based in Chennai, in Tamil Nadu. Now let's talk of Telangana. In Telangana, the total number of government seats is 4,290 last year, which became 4,400, which is a 110 seat increase, which is about 2% increase, right? And the private seats were earlier 5,150, it's become 5,850, a 700 seat increase, which is a 14% jump. The other thing that is notable that you must know is that the number of students qualified came down from 41,585 last year to 38,000 this year. So this, when you look at this number, you're dealing with about 7% drop or 8% drop in the number of students qualifying. So to that extent, there is lesser competition because the number of students who qualified is lesser. So what do we have now? We have about 8-10 seats more, which is about 9% jump in seats, right? And you have 3,558 students lesser, which is 8% drop in number of things. So you actually have this going up, you have this going down. So to that extent, a combined effect, you'll have 15% lesser competition or greater chances that you will get into a medical college possibly this time around. Now, but in government medical college, it may be difficult because remember, it's the top of the top is what you're likely to get into government medical college. Remember that. But still, when you actually have lesser competition, to that extent, there is slightly more easier. Now, let's talk about the government medical college in Telangana. We'll start with Gandhi Medical College, where, and by the way, this is All India Common Rank List. For the state of Telangana, it is All India Common Rank List is what will work for you. Gandhi Medical College, unreserved at 14,005. BCB is 19,245. EWS is 42,252. Last year, closing cutoff rank. By the time the counseling finishes, what we're talking of here. SC is 2,09,523. ST is 1,05,661. Usmania Medical College, Hyderabad, 20,154 unreserved. BCB is 40,693. 39,626 for EWS. SC is 2,62,081. And ST is 1,06,558. ESIC Medical College, Hyderabad, 23,086 for unreserved. BC is 48,278. EWS is 56,751. SC is 1,24,474. ST is 1,30,993. Kakatiya Medical College, Warangal, 34,949 for unreserved. BC is 80,734 rank. 76,976 for EWS. 3,14,933 for SC. And ST is 1,29,155. Government Medical College, Nizamabad, 67,517 for unreserved. BC is 85,078. EWS is 96,687. SC is 3,29,285. And ST is 1,38,952. Government Medical College, Siddipet, 78,227 for unreserved. BC is 93,637. 99,932 for EWS. SC is 3,43,888. And 1,52,568 for ST. Remember, these are the closing cutoff of by the time the counseling finished last year. Going further, and because there are 8% lesser qualified students, you will actually benefit to that extent is what my assumption is. Government Medical College Mehboob 79,570 for unreserved. BC is 93,394. EWS 96,795. SC 3,18,347. ST is 158,658. Government Medical College Suryapet 92,025 unreserved. BC 1,06,216. EWS 1,03,278. SC 348,982. ST is 163,013. Government Medical College Kutuballapur 92,246 for unreserved. 1,18,022 BC. EWS 1,10,199, SC 2,03,607, ST is 192,570. Government Medical College Sangareddy 96,504 for unreserved, BC is 1,14,018, 1,10,487 for EWS, SC is 297,993, ST is 175,703. Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences Adilabad 99,566 for unreserved, BC 1,09,154, 121,278 for EWS, SC is 195,963, ST is 165,657. Government Medical College Nalgonda 1,02,054 for unreserved, BC is 1,16,395, EWS 1,15,113, 4,02,550 for SC, ST is 1,70,403. Government Medical College Nagar Kurnool 1,18,323, BC 129,577, EWS 1,26,422, SC is 275,080, ST is 178,341. GMC Maheshwaram 124,736 unreserved, BC 151,012, EWS 139,537, SC 235,789, ST is 213,506. GMC Ramagundam 125,432 unreserved, BC 141,200, EWS 128,236, 4,14,268 for SC and 194,983 for ST. GMC Karimnagar 128,214 for unreserved, BC 141,889, EWS 132,176, 521,20,020 for SC and ST is 191,684. GMC Vanaparthi 135,970 for unreserved, 145,935 for BC. EWS is, we don't have data. SC is 367,015 and ST is 199,963. GMC Khammam 148,994 for unreserved. OBC is 147,607. 142,679 for EWS, 467,722 for SC, and ST is 192,735. GMC Mehboob 158,885 for unreserved, OBC is 159,869, SC is 463,092, and ST is 2,06,45. GMC Kamareddy 151,428 for unreserved, OBC is 154,272, 249,402 for SC, and ST is 2,01,921. GMC Yadadri 151,620 for unreserved, OBC is 128,689, EWS 153,633, 241,434 for SC and ST is 221,195. GMC Rajanna Siricilla 158,390 for unreserved, OBC 173,900, 6,10,326 for SC, ST is 2,09,482. GMC Jangaon 159,247 for unreserved, OBC is 171,031, 341,306 for SC, ST is 2,11,822. GMC Jagatyal 162,835 for unreserved, OBC is 168,538, 470,420 for SC, ST is 220,063. GMC Vikarabad 163,195 for unreserved, 173,885 for BC, 245,382 for SC and ST is 223,347. GMC Medak 165,625 for unreserved, BC is 178,265, 252,420 for SC, ST is 223,207. GMC Bhadradri Kottagudem 171,066 for unreserved, BC is 179,097, SC is 415,152, ST is 213,670. GMC Narayanpet 172,097 for unreserved, BC is 193,434, 249,982 for SC and ST is 236,988. GMC Mancherial 174,244 for unreserved, BC is 178,265, 254,010 for SC and ST is 225,951. GMC Jogalamba Galwal 175,802 for unreserved, BC is 193,667, SC is 254,182, ST is 238,897. GMC Jayashankar Bhupalapalli 175,805 for unreserved, BC is 185,863, SC is 558,971, ST is 226,261. GMC Nirmal 175,947 for unreserved, BC is 187,184, SC is 11,33,330, 232,010 for ST. GMC Narsampet 176,459 for unreserved, BC is 185,831, 255 860 for SC, and ST is 233 427. GMC Mulugu 179 216 for unreserved. BC is 197 028. 260 591 for SC, and ST is 241 631. GMC Kumaram Bhim Asifabad 179 364 for unreserved. BC is 197 973. 266 602 for SC, and ST is 237 596. So that's what you have as far as government medical college in the state of Telangana is. As you know, there are about 8-9% lesser qualifications. So your all India rank list, even at a lesser level, you should be able to get that, because the number of qualified students as a pool itself has come down, and the number of seats also has gone up a bit in government medical college also. If you need any personalized counseling, do write to us, message us NEET on this number, which is 8130 376334, and we'll have one of our counselors call you up. Do use a college predictor, which is Career 360 NEET College Predictor. Search on Google and you'll find that. You just need to input your rank, your category, your state. It'll tell you what happened last year at that rank level. Do subscribe to Medical 360, because we're creating a lot of content to help students like yourself decide. And this advisory and information series is presented by SRM Medical College and Hospital and Research Center, which is affiliated to SRM IST, which is a deemed university based in Chennai in Tamil Nadu. I hope this helps you. If you want me to cover anything else, please write to me in the message box. I'll be happy to cover that for you. Thank you so much. Namaste.